This question reads, which of the following is a reducing agent? So we are giving this, this equation. And so we can tell that the copper and the aluminum, those are the ones, the molecules we're using. And so we can assume that we can start by connecting this one with the other copper. These two and these two aluminums. So by the charge, we can tell this aluminum is just by itself. So molecule by itself, it becomes a 0. So it goes from 0 to 3 plus. So here's where we say, does it gain electrons or does it lose electrons? When we gain electrons, it becomes more negative. And when we lose electrons, it becomes more positive. So we're losing electrons. So here's we can use this acronym, oil rig. So oxidizing is losing electrons and reducing is gaining electrons. So what we said here is that we were losing electrons because it's becoming more positive. So this aluminum is being oxidized. And that means that copper is being reduced, but we can just do the calculation. So it's 2 plus, and it goes to copper is by itself, so it's a 0. So it goes to 0. So here we're going from a positive number and we're going lower. That means we're decreasing, which means we're gaining electrons. So gaining, reducing is gaining. So this one is being reduced. But we're not asking for which one's being oxidized and which one's being reduced. We're asking for the agent. So this is kind of ironic, but the one that's being oxidized is the reducing agent, and the one that's being reduced is the oxidizing agent. But we're asking for the reduced, so oxidized is reducing agent. So we would know that the aluminum, which is B, is the reducing agent.